everyone, welcome to our open house on Cozumel Drive today. I am going to take you and show you a Gulfront house that you're not going to want to miss. It has everything and it is under 1.7 million Gulfront, and it has a lot of Gulfront and a ton of space to everybody to spread out. Look how cute. Everything is fully furnished in this house. There's a couple of exclusions, but not many. And look at this outdoor entertaining space. You've got an outdoor shower here. You've got plenty of room for the family to hang out. You've got 2 storage areas that are completely enclosed and lots of decking details. But let's go show you what matters the most. Let's look at this view. And just so you know, before you look at the view, this property goes all the way over here to this palm tree. They bought an extra portion of a lot at some point along the way. This family's owned this property for quite a while, and it is a very successful rental, and they used it about 4 months out of the year themselves, and they still have an successful rental. So keep that in mind as you're looking. Check this view out. The water is absolutely gorgeous. The beach is beautiful. For all those that are looking at this right now, it is January. So if you have a furry friend, you've got gates for all of that, or if you have little ones, you've got stainless steel threading all the way across this porch. Lots of Adirondack chairs, high-waisted Adirondack chairs, I like to call them, so you can watch the dolphins swim by. Look at this view. Most people don't realize that at 1.7 million, just under, you can be on a huge piece of Gulfront like this on the north end of Cape San Blas. Let's go in and take a look. This has been completely redone over the years. They've got a pergola over here which offers a great sunshade, but look inside. So if you're having a rainy day, you can curl up right here in all these chairs and just watch the surf and the storm roll in, or just enjoy your cup of coffee in the morning. But it's got a nice big open plan. They've kind of thought of all the things along the way. They've added some beadboarding in here, all up underneath the dining area, the kitchen area. It makes it nice and cozy. They've got new countertops, new kitchen cabinets, newer appliances, stainless steel apron front sink with a nice big window in front of it. They've got these cute little accent shutters all over the outside, but there's lots of cabinet space in here. You've got a wine chiller. You've got a double oven, microwave, convection oven, a fancy refrigerator that has one of these whole screens in it, but anyway, you got a fancy refrigerator. What I love about the downstairs is you've got a couple nice sized bedrooms downstairs and a half bath, so let's go take a look at those. The first guest room is right here on the right, and it's got its own ensuite bath, so it's sort of like having 2 masters, and they're big, and they've got the nice beadboarding on the ceiling. You feel like you're at the beach and all the fun beachy colors. You have a half bath here for guests. Look at this. This is the master with the double doors. Everywhere in this room you can see the view. It's absolutely stunning. You got a couple ceiling fans to keep it nice and cool, and a fully updated ensuite bath with this one. You got a double vanity in here and a nice tile shower with all the extras. The plumbing is beautiful. Plumbing fixtures, I should say. So you got two full bedrooms down here, and let's go upstairs and take a look at the top floor. You got a nice vaulted ceiling up here. Nice and tall, makes the room feel really big. And that tall vaulted ceiling leads right into this bunk room. So oftentimes a bunk room has a shallow ceiling, but look at this. It's got the nice wood paneling on the ceiling. A full bathroom here that everybody can share with the towel warmers. Nice walk-in shower. This has got a barn door in this one. This one's got all the views too, and you got an extra sun deck up here. And for anybody that wants 4 bathrooms and everything to have a bathroom, you could always extend this room out over this deck and add another bathroom because you've got one right there. So that's just an idea for anyone that wants all the bedrooms to have their own bath. But if you don't, this view's not bad either. Take a look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? What I love about this location is that you're right here in the commercial district, so you can catch the bike trail, ride it for 10 miles. You can go over here to the trading post, which is just literally a couple streets over. The kids can get hot donuts in the morning, ice cream, all the things. They've got, you can get steamer shrimp from the steamer store, fish, fresh steamed shrimp. Anyway, it's all right here, and everybody can walk or ride their bikes or a golf cart over there. So you've got the beach, you've got the bike trail, you've got all the little shopping areas here. You can rent bicycles and kayaks and paddle boards nearby. So for renting, the renters that rent here love it because everything is so convenient. And when you've got a large family gathering together, I mean, it's just the perfect quintessential rental house with that old, you know, that old beach house vibe that's been all updated. I just think it doesn't get any better than this. So if you're thinking about living the beach life and you want to go front like this, comment Live the Beach Life below. We'll send you all the details. Share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.